Oh, I just realized that I did not lock my bike, so I've been sitting there the whole time with my bicycle open. Kinda love this city, man. Good afternoon. I'm here at exit number 5 of the Sanam Chai MRT Station next to the river. And today I'm going to show you how to cross the river here, and then I'm going to drive along a very nice bicycle path that was created along the river here. And this is a very easy day trip, and especially now with all these new MRT stations, it's super easy to get to different parts of the city. So to cross the river, you go here to the Yotpiman River Walk, and there is a small ferry crossing from where you can, I think it's 6 baht per person, you can cross the river. And then there on the other side you have a very nice temple with a huge sitting Buddha. So I'm here with the bike today, so I'm gonna cross and then I'm gonna bike back. So the ferry just arrived, and the ticket for just one person is 6 baht. Because I'm going with my bicycle, I have to pay 10 baht. So let me wait for these guys to get out. Okay. So yeah, so for one person it's 6 baht, and I'm going with my bicycle, so I have to pay 10 baht. And you can just get onto the boat here. And you're gonna cross there to that pier. There's a very nice temple there with a big sitting golden Buddha. I made a video about that one time, so I will upload it. It's always nice to cross the river in Bangkok. It's super cheap, like in this case only 6 baht, and it gives a nice view, nice atmosphere. Yeah, so this is nice. There is a dedicated biking path here, and it's accessible for anybody. Elia! Oh. So I don't know what's going on with the fish in here, but I guess because of the boat that's here, that maybe some little animals are coming up to eat. Anyway, I'm on my biking path, and if you saw the interview that I did with Pete from Irish Times, you must have noticed that I mentioned that I love riding along the Klong. So today I decided to ride along the biggest Klong in Bangkok, the Chao Praya River. I don't want to be disrespectful for the Chao Praya River. Of course, this is a river and not a klong. But yeah, this is a very nice path. Sawadee krap. Yeah, this path was made by a mayor like 12 years ago or something. And his idea was to stimulate biking in the city. So it was a bike-friendly project, and I'm still enjoying it. Yeah, we rode along this path when we did the bicycle tour together with our friends when I had my celebration of my 5,000 subscribers. It's making pretty big waves here. So here in front you have the Sky Bridge Park, you could say, which is the park that is created to cross the river. Sometimes you see the people making a very spectacular bicycle kick. Oh. Oh. So I'm gonna make another round through the park. So as you can see, there is 3 or 4 fields where they play this sport. And now you can also see there's a lot more people doing their exercises. Oh. Yeah, this is the perfect way to spend your Sunday afternoon. The kids are playing football here. Awesome. Here you have the machines to do the exercise, the Muay Thai training. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna jump back on my bike and I'm gonna show you how to get to the ferry pier so that I can explain you how to get to this place. Oh. Very nice. I don't know if anybody ever followed Team Farang. So I'm not sure if they are still here. They were like a parkour team. they were doing free running, and I know that they were training in this park all the time, but I haven't heard. I was subscribed to them on YouTube, but I haven't heard from them for quite a while. Okay, anyway, oh, I just realized that I did not lock my bike, so I've been sitting there the whole time with my bicycle open. Gotta love this city, man. Gotta love these people here. Okay, let's get to the ferry. Oops. Yeah, normally you can go through the park here, but I see that they closed it down, so I have to go around. I'm happy I made a stop here. Get there. Okay. Whoop. It was like a rodeo move, one-handed. So yeah, let's cross the river, and then I still have, I think, 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers or 4-mile ride back home. Yeah, it's been a long day. Started around 12. And it's almost 5 now. Time flies when you're having fun, right? Yeah, so here next to the park there is this walkway, and then you get to the pier. Ooh. You can also walk the river here. So there's actually 2 options. I take the pier because I'm on the bicycle, but if you're walking and you want to do a little bit of exercise, you can also, there is some stairs there. You can just walk up the bridge, and then you can walk along the bridge, and then you're also good to go. Let me... sorry,ครับ เท่าไรนะครับ 100 นะครับ So it's 5 baht per person, and then I think it's an extra 5 baht for the bike. ขอบคุณมากครับ So for 10 baht I can cross the river here. Yeah, but you can also just walk the bridge. It's not that difficult. So I hope you enjoyed the update about this park. I mean, I really had a great time. And if you liked it, feel free to subscribe. And see you guys in my next video.